You have yourself a lovely day.
Oi! That colour really works on you. Have a productive day.
You want to hear a filthy word? Gender bias.
Absolutely.
Yes.
I know, huh? I'd like to show you the respect you deserve.
Yeah, well said.
A woman's place is wherever she chooses.
I appreciate your appearance is just one aspect of who you are.
You know what I'd like to see? A society in which the objectification of women makes way for gender-neutral interactions, free from assumptions and expectations.
Right.
You go, girl.
Oh, yeah.
What do we want?
Quality.
What do